Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jesterleena from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and draw the eyes with 2 circles. And let's make sure that they're spaced out far enough, like this. And now inside each eye, let's add a curve on the left. And now let's color them both in black. Next, let's add the details around each eye. Around the left eye, let's draw bumps all around in a circle. And when you're done, it should look like this. And now for the right eye, let's draw an S-shaped curve above it like this. And then a curve underneath to close it off. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. We'll start underneath the left eye and let's draw an S-shaped curve up, down, and back up, ending underneath the right eye. And now let's do the same thing underneath. Now let's color the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start by drawing a wavy line down the center in between the eyes like this. Next, let's move to the top and let's draw the bow. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a small rectangle. Then from the sides, let's curve it out, down, and back in. And the same on the other side. And lastly, inside, let's draw 2 angled lines on both sides like this. And that's it for the bow. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the left side and let's draw bumpy lines out and then bring it down. And then start to curve it in back towards the center. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right side. Let's start next to the bow and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and flick it up at the end. And now let's curve it back in. And then one more curve down to close off the head. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head in the middle and let's draw a wavy line down. Next, let's move over and draw the sides of the body. Let's leave a gap on the right and let's draw a line down. And then for the left side, let's draw curved points going down like this. And then a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the torso. Next, let's move up and draw the arms, starting with the left side. We'll start underneath the left side of the head here, and let's draw bumpy lines down, like this. Now for the end, instead of drawing bumps, let's draw a wavy line all the way down, stopping here. And now let's do the same thing for the inside of the arm. And don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfect. Now let's draw the hand at the bottom. From the outside line, let's draw a curve down and up. Now let's hop over to the other line and let's draw a diagonal, then bring it in and up like this. And that's it for the left arm. Next, let's move over and draw the right side. We'll start under the right side of the head and let's draw a long curve down. And the same thing underneath. Now let's add the hand at the end. From the inside line, let's draw a curve up and down. And then from the outside line, a curve down and up. Now let's add 3 more fingers. Let's start from the inside and let's draw a wavy finger down and back up. Then another one in the middle. And then one more to close off the hand. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body in the middle and let's draw a wavy line down. And then a curve across underneath. Now let's draw the left leg. Let's start with 3 bumps down like this. And then a larger bump for the knee. And then for the inside, let's draw 2 large bumps. And then from both sides, let's draw wavy lines down. And now let's close it off with a curve. Now let's hop over and draw the right leg. Let's draw a straight line down for the outside. And then a curved line for the inside of the leg, making it the same length as the other leg. And now a curve at the bottom. Next, let's move underneath and draw the feet. Underneath the left leg, we'll start by drawing a curve out and down. Now for the back of the foot, let's curve it down and bring it over. And then let's draw a pointed curve down to finish off the foot. Now let's hop over and draw the right foot. We'll start with a curve over and up. Then let's curve it back down at the end. And then for the back, let's bring it down and curve it in. And then one more curve at the bottom to close off the foot. And that's it for Jesterleena. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!